everyone. Today we are here to learn a program that is to calculate profit or loss. Now let us see the concept behind this. Whenever a shopkeeper buys and sells a product, there are only three possible situations. Whether it is he gained profit or loss. Now let us compare. In any business, there are two major roles which are important. The first one is cost price, the price at which the product was purchased, and the second one is selling price, the price at which the product was sold. Now let us see with the cases. Case 1. If selling price is greater than cost price, the product is sold for more money than it was bought. So the seller earns profit. This is called profit. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. For example, let us take cost price as 500 and selling price as 700. The profit will be around 700 minus 500, that is 200 rupees. Now let us see case 2. If cost price is greater than selling price, the product is sold for less money than it was bought. So the seller loses money. This is called loss. Loss equals to cost price minus selling price. Example, let us take cost price as 800 and selling price as 600. The margin he made is around 800 minus 600 is 200. So the shopkeeper made a 200 loss. Now let us see the last case. If cost price is equals to selling price, the product is sold at exactly same price at which it was purchased. There is neither profit nor loss. The example we take is cost price is 1000 and the selling price is also 1000. The margin made is 0. There is no profit or loss. Now let us see the algorithm, that is the way of approach to relate this code into concept and make it run. First, let us start the program hash include and int main. Second, read the cost price and read the selling price. Third, let us determine with conditions. First condition, if selling price is greater than cost price, for which we need to calculate profit and display profit. Second condition, else if cost price is greater than selling price, we need to calculate loss and display that loss. Third one, that is display no profit or no loss condition. Final step is stop. Now let us relate the steps with code. Hash include stdio.h int main. Now we need variable to store like cost price, selling price, profit or loss amount. All these variables we declare them as int. Let us assume the store owner purchased everything in integers only, no decimal values are there. So let us start the code. Int CB means cost price, SP means selling price, amount means calculation of amount. Now let us read the inputs. Let us say if the user purchased at 500 and sold for 700. These things first. The computer has to read no. For that we write code like this. Printf enter cost price. Semicolon. And scanf percentile d for integer, comma @cp. Printf enter selling price. Scanf percentile D, comma, at the rate selling price, that is SP. After computer recognizing the values, it has to store the address. The computer checks for the profit or loss. Now let us go to the condition. If selling price is greater than cost price, this condition asks, is the selling price greater than the cost price? Example, same, selling price is equal to 700, cost price is equal to 500. The condition becomes, if 700 greater than 500, this is true. Therefore, the product was sold at higher price, so profit occurs. Now the system calculates the profit. Amount is equals to selling price minus cost price. Using this formula, profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. The computer calculates 700 minus 500 is equals to 200. So amount is equals to 200. After calculating the profit, it has to display it, right? So printf profit is equals to percentile D, comma, amount. Amount. Now comes the second condition, else if cost price greater than selling price. Else if CP greater than selling price. This condition asks, is the cost price greater than the selling price? Let us take example, cost price is equals to 800, selling price is equals to 600. The condition becomes, if 800 greater than 600, which is true, therefore loss occurs. Now after determining the loss occurs, the computer calculates the loss. Amount is equals to CP minus SP. Using this formula, loss is equals to CP minus SP. 800 minus 600 equals to 200. Then amount becomes 200. After calculating the amount, the computer has to display the loss, right? So printf loss is equals to percentile D, comma, amount. Now comes the third condition, else. This block executes only when SP greater than CP fails, CP greater than SP fails, both the condition fails. This can happen only when SP is equals to CP or CP is equals to SP, meaning both the prices are equal. After that, computer goes to display the result. Printf no profit or loss. Return 0, which is stopping the program. Now let us see any mistakes are there or not. Since there are no mistakes, now let us run it. Now let us take the same example as we are taken in condition 1. Cost price, let us take 500, selling price as 700. It should has to say 200 as profit, so it says 200 as profit. So the code executed correctly. Now let us run it again. Enter cost price, we take 800 as we have taken, as I explained in second condition during code writing. 600 for selling price, it should has to display loss of 200, so it shows loss of 200. Now let us run it again. Cost price we have taken 1000, selling price again 1000, it should have to no profit or loss. So like this we can write the entire code by initially visualizing the process, like steps involved in the day-to-day work that we can replicate inside this C language like this. So like this our C programming language will be made easy. So thanks for watching. If you find anywhere difficulty, please do comment. I'm happy to give answers. Thanks for watching.